Valley News Live Storm Team.
All right, thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. A lot of thunderstorms across the valley as we look off to the sky cam off to the east northeast right now of the Fargo-Moorhead area. We see a few clouds, but by and large, we are just soaking in the sauna that has been a hot and humid summer-like afternoon. With temperatures soaring past the 90s, there have been triple digits out to the west, and it's a hot day. Here's a look at 92 degrees right now. Feels like 96. That's thanks to the 68-degree dew point temperature that we have across the southern valley. That's very sticky and sultry air, and that's causing some areas to see heat indices over the triple-digit mark. Right now, Moorhead 91 degrees. Winds gusty out of the southwest. Temperatures right now, 95 Devils Lake, 93 Langdon, and 88 for Sisseton and Wahpeton. 90 for Oaks and Valley City, and off to the east we have a lot of mid-80s in Lakes Country, Becker County and Point South. Notice the cooler colors here and the yellows and oranges near 70 and even 68 in Roseau. Your area just got hit incredibly by some hail. We'll have more on that in just a minute. But right now, as we look out to the west, look at Williston, the oil patch sizzling at 102, and a record-breaking day in Bismarck as well. Right now, 100 there, Pierre 100, and we are hot as well in the eastern third of North Dakota as well. Here's a look at what we have going on, mainly east of the Red River. We're seeing strong thunderstorms. Where we see the abundant lightning here, this is the strongest activity. There's still a warning for this area, and as this storm made its way through the Thief River Falls area, created some serious winds, estimated over 80 miles per hour, and we have damage that's been shared on our Facebook page from wind. And these storms up in the Roseau County area, including in Roseau proper, produce hail. We'll take just a moment and show you a few of those, but if you have reports of severe weather, we invite you to share them on our Facebook page, Facebook.com/Valley News Live. Again, hail the size of 3.5 inches in diameter, maybe some even a little larger than that. We didn't get measurements of them. Also, do we have those pictures? There we go. Okay, and this is near Fox in Roseau County. Baseball-sized hail and some smaller stones, and in Roseau proper, they also came in. Some spiked hail in and around Roseau as well. So as hailstones spin around in that freezing layer of the cloud, different shapes can happen. Baseball-sized hail, golf ball-sized hail in Roseau proper. So we know that there'd be damage to vehicles. We've heard of that already. And likely crops as well. This is a great example of how to measure those and send those in. Over 2-inch diameter hail, you want to measure the widest part of the stone. Thanks so much. Your pail of hail photo there, helping us keep others in path of the storm informed. Now back to the radar as we continue to see a storm system working its way into Hubbard County. Here's Beltrami. You have rain and thunderstorms in the Bemidji area now, but the strongest portion of the cell just to your south. As we look at the Park Rapids area, and really that Cub Scout camp there will be right in the line of fire for some strong storms. This storm showing some signs of rotation. So gusty winds over 60 miles per hour and hail still upwards of 2 inches in diameter will be near Mantrap. It's not far from the Cub Scout camp there by 6:54. And also Monaga by 7:13 if that storm continues. Here's where the hail core is, just near Itasca at this time. Again, moving in a southerly direction. Here's a look at the Roseau County storms, all but fizzling out now, and that's good news. It produced some ginormous hailstones. These storms moving down to the south have caused the National Weather Service to extend that severe thunderstorm watch to the south. I'm going to turn that on for you right here one moment as we take a look at that watch box. Again, changing down to the south just a little bit to include portions of Becker County this evening. Look at the heat. 70s in Moore Road, 90 in Crookston, and 95 to 97 in Langdon this afternoon. Our Bauer forecast storms will continue. Yes, we have a chance at seeing some storms in the FM area. The best chance will be quite late, though. Then a quiet overnight as we see these storms exit after 10 o'clock to the south and east. With some clearing in the skies, you'll have a chance at seeing the Perseid meteor showers. Again, after midnight, the best time. There'll be some cloud-free skies here and there. Another sizzler of a day tomorrow. Temperatures in the mid-90s for Fargo-Moorhead once again. As we take a look at your planning forecast, it looks like 90s west and east of the Red River. We're anticipating temperatures to be in the upper 80s. Another sizzler on Friday, dry weather. A chance for some changes on Saturday afternoon as strong storms take us out of the triple-digit area into the 80s to start next week.
A lot happening.
Busy weather. Not all of us will see storms, but we can't rule them out in Fargo. Go out and enjoy. Okay. We'll keep you informed.
Thanks. Later in sports, we're going to take a look at Park Christian's football team as they prepare to rebuild from a tough summer and what you should do to prepare for the first hunting season that starts this weekend.